Hey, what's up ComSci community? I'm back with day number 31 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge. And today I added a really simple form to my portfolio website, and then I started messing around with the website and I kind of just broke everything. So today was a little rough, but I think that's just part of the learning process. Not every day is going to go according to plan, and I think that's okay. Alright, so really quickly, here's the mobile view of my portfolio website. And as we scroll all the way down, we can see at the very bottom the Contact Me section. It just says Contact Me and it shows my email. And I wanted to upgrade that and basically put a contact form so it doesn't show my email and that they can make a more robust input right there on the website. So I started adding the form, and before I even added all the features and got it styled up exactly how I wanted it, I started tinkering with the other aspects of the website that I didn't like, and I basically just opened up Pandora's box. I spent a lot of time just messing around with things, and ultimately I ended up with this really weird margin on the right side of the website, but I really just don't have time to figure it out. And I came to the conclusion that I'm just going to leave this alone. I'm not going to come back to it tomorrow. What I'm actually going to do is keep learning about the design process, about the development process, about some more advanced development features. I'm going to learn about the React framework, and then after I'm done with all my projects, I think I'm going to go back and rebuild this portfolio from scratch, probably using a React framework or something. Alright, that's it for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.